Organizations can customize foundation models to create differentiated customer experiences. However, the process to customize these models can take weeks of extensive experimentation and debugging. Introducing Amazon SageMaker HyperPod Recipes. Get started training and fine-tuning publicly available foundation models in just minutes with state-of-the-art performance. SageMaker HyperPod Recipes include a training stack that has been tested by AWS, eliminating weeks of tedious work. You can select and customize a recipe and then deploy it into production with a single step. You can also seamlessly switch between GPU-based and Trainium-based instances with a single one-line recipe change. Customers of all skill sets can quickly get started training and fine-tuning publicly available foundation models using Amazon SageMaker HyperPod Recipes. Build faster, build efficiently, accelerate time to market.